Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this class, I am going to solve previous question paper plus 2 second year 2020. Let us start the topic. The question is differentiate sec inverse 1 by 2 x square minus 1 with respect to 1 minus x square whole root over. So let y is equal to sec inverse of 1 by 2x square minus 1, z is equal to 1 minus x square whole root over. Now y is equal to sec inverse 1 by 2x square minus 1. Put x is equal to cos theta. Then theta is equal to cos inverse of x. So this implies y is equal to sec inverse 1 by 2 cos square theta minus 1. So this implies y is equal to sec inverse of 1 by 2 cos square theta minus 1. This is equals to sec inverse 1 by cos 2 theta. Because cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. This is equal to sec inverse of sec 2 theta, which is equals to 2 theta. Now theta is equal to cos inverse x, so we can write 2 cos inverse x. So this implies dy by dx is equal to 2 into minus 1 by 1 minus x square root over. Since derivative of cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 by 1 minus x square root over. This is minus 2 by 1 minus x square root over. Again, z is equal to 1 minus x square root over, which is equal to 1 minus x square to the power 1 by 2. Then dz by dx. dz by dx is equal to 1 by 2, 1 minus x square to the power minus half into derivative of 1 minus x square is minus 2x. So this is equals to minus x by 1 minus x square root over 2 cancels, minus x by 1 minus x square root over. So dy by dz is equal to dy by dx divided by dz by dx. So now putting the value minus 2 by 1 minus x square root over divided by minus x by 1 minus x square root over. This is equal to 2 by x answer. Here we have to differentiate sec inverse 1 by 2x square minus 1 with respect to 1 minus x square root over. So let us take y is equal to sec inverse 1 by 2 x square minus 1, z is equal to root over of 1 minus x square. Then we get, putting x is equal to cos theta, we get theta is equal to cos inverse of x. So now y is equal to, after simplification, 2 cos inverse x. So dy by dx is equal to minus 2 by 1 minus x square. Z is equal to 1 minus x square root over, which is equal to 1 minus x square to the power half. Dz by dx is equal to minus x by 1 minus x square root over. So we get dy by dz is equal to 2ix, which is the required answer. With this, our first problem is solved. Let us proceed to solve the next question. Our next problem is find the approximate value of root over 48.96. Now solution. Let y is equal to fx is equal to root over x. Then y plus delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x is equal to x plus delta x root over. So delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x, which gives delta y is equal to x plus delta x minus root x. We have y is equal to fx, dy by dx is equal to f dash of x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. So then dy is equal to 1 by 2 root x into dx. So this implies 1 by 2 root x into dx is equal to x plus delta x root over minus root x. So this gives us x plus delta x root over, this is equals to 1 plus 2 root x dx. Delta x, we can write this as delta x, the increment, minus root x. So x plus delta x root over is equal to 1 by 2 root x, delta x plus root x. So this implies 49 plus minus 0.04 4 root over is equal to 1 by 2 root over of 49 delta x is minus 0.04 plus root over of 49. Let x is equal to 49, delta x is equal to minus 0.04, implies 48.96 root over, this is equal to 1 by 2 into 7, 0.04 plus 7. This is equals to minus 0.04 by 14 plus 7. This is minus 0.04 plus 7 into 14 by 14. This is equals to 6.99714 approximately. Answer. Here the question is find the approximate value of root over 48.96. So let us take y is equal to fx is equal to root x, then y plus delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x, which is equal to root over x plus delta x. Then after simplification we get x plus delta x root over is equal to 1 by 2 root x delta x plus root x. Now taking x is equal to 49 and delta x is equal to minus 0.04, putting the values. After simplification we get root over 48.96 is 6.99714 approximately. Answer. With this, the topic for today class is completed. I shall meet you with a new topic in my next class. Till then, goodbye.